In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sign-up newsletter in website for Hubspot CRM. By the end, you'll have a clean, high-converting newsletter sign-up connected to your Hubspot CRM, plus a welcome email ready to go. Start by logging into your HubSpot account, then head to Marketing and Open Forms. Click Create Form and choose the format that fits your site. An embedded form sits directly on a page and is great for a seamless experience. A pop-up form can drive higher conversions if your audience is likely to notice it in the moment. Pick the one that matches your goals and your site's design. Next, customize the form. Keep the fields minimal to reduce friction. Make email required and add first name as optional if you want to personalize later. Give the form a clear, friendly title like "Subscribe to our newsletter" and use a straightforward button such as "Subscribe now" or "Get updates." Keep your copy short, and if you can, match the form's colors and fonts to your brand so it feels native to your site. Now configure the settings. Under Options or Settings, choose what happens after someone submits. You can show a brief thank you message for a quick on-page confirmation, or redirect to a dedicated thank you page if you want to deliver a lead magnet or add next steps. Turn on email notifications so your team knows when a new subscriber joins. If you operate in regions with privacy regulations, enable the GDPR consent checkbox and use clear language about what subscribers can expect. Here's the best part. The form connects to your CRM automatically. Every new sign-up is created as a contact in HubSpot, so there's no manual integration or spreadsheets to manage. When you're ready to publish, you have two options. For most websites, click Embed, copy the code, and paste it into your site. This works with platforms like WordPress, Wix, and standard HTML pages. If you prefer a simpler approach, use the standalone form link. Share it in your navigation or footer, or add it to your social media bio so people can subscribe from anywhere. To welcome new subscribers, go to Automation, then Workflows. Set the trigger to form submission and the action to send an email. A friendly subject like "Welcome to our newsletter" works well, and a short note about what they'll receive sets expectations. Finally, send regular newsletters from marketing, then email. Create campaigns with updates, tips, or promotions, and track performance inside HubSpot. Watch new subscribers, open rates, and click rates so you can refine your content and placement over time.